We'll guide you through how to use the Replit code editor, making it easy to start coding right away. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to replit.com. If you haven't already, create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button at the top right. You can sign up using your email or link your Google account for quicker access. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you can see all your projects, also known as replits. To start a new project, click the Create Replit button. You'll be prompted to choose a language, so pick the one you want to work with, like Python or JavaScript. After selecting the language, give your project a name and click Create Replit. This will open the code editor interface, where you can start writing your code. You'll see a file tree on the left, the main editor in the center, and the console or output pane on the right. Type your code in the editor area. When you're ready to test it, click the Run button at the top of the screen. This will execute your code and show the results in the console pane. You can also invite collaborators to your project by clicking the Share button at the top and sending them the link. This makes it easy for teamwork and pair programming. Replit also has built-in version control, so you can track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. If you're interested in exploring more features, check out the built-in package manager for adding libraries and the built-in terminal for running commands. These tools make Replit a powerful environment for both beginners and experienced developers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.